Imagine if you had a superpower that could predict exactly when your money would double in value. No, it's not a magic crystal ball, but a simple financial formula that's been around for decades, the Rule of 72. Today, we're going to break down this concept, show you how to use it, and how it can transform your investment strategy. The Rule of 72 is a straightforward calculation that helps you figure out how long it'll take for your money to double at a given interest rate. The formula is simple. 72 divided by the interest rate equals the number of years it takes for your money to double. For example, if you're earning an annual interest rate of 6%, you can use the Rule of 72 to calculate that your money will double in 12 years. 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12. To make this more tangible, let's use a real-world example. Imagine you invest $10,000 in a high-yield savings account with a 5% annual interest rate. Using the Rule of 72, you can calculate that your money will double to $20,000